Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video let us going to discuss example 14 and 15 in mensuration of 10th class mathematics. Right? So friends, before going to the topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let us going to the topic. Yeah. Look here, this is example 14. A cone of height 24 centimeters and radius of base 6 centimeters is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. See, a cone of height 24 centimeters and 6 centimeters of radius, made up of a modeling clay, and it is reshaped in the form of sphere. Reshaped in the form of sphere. So same clay only. It reshaped into the form of sphere. Then what has given? Find the radius of the sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. So volume of the cone and volume of the sphere should be same. Why? So the volume of the clay which is used for these two is same only now. So volume of the cone is equal to volume of the sphere. So let us find. Yeah. First cones. Radius R is equal to how much? 6 centimeters has given, and its height H is equal to 24 centimeters. Its volume is equal to 1 by 3 S pi r square H, that is 1 by 3 into pi into radius 6 into 6 into 24 centimeter cube. So don't simplify this one, keep like this, right? Next, spheres radius BR, that implies its volume is equal to what is the formula? S 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Look here, the volume of the clay, which is used for cone and sphere are same, right? Therefore volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cone, isn't it? Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cone. Actual volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of the sphere. Cone is how much? Is 1 by 3 into pi into 6 into 6 into 24, right? Look here, on both sides pi get cancelled here. Here denominator 3 also get cancelled. 4 in 24 how many times? 6 times, right? So that implies r cube is equal to here 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, no? So that implies r is equal to 6. Understood? Now find the radius of the sphere only he asked now. R is radius of the sphere. Therefore radius of the sphere is equal to 6 centimeters. Understood clearly? Yes. Next, 15th question, example 15. The diameter of internal and external surfaces of a hollow hemispherical shell are 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. It is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of diameter 14 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. So a hemispherical shell is there. A hemispherical shell, internal diameter is 6 centimeters and external diameter is 10 centimeters. It is melted and recast into a solid cylinder. It is melted and recast into solid cylinder of diameter 14 centimeters. Then what is the height of the cylinder? We have to find height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder be h meters. Okay, let us find. Yeah, hemispherical shells, see, internal radius r is equal to 6/2. This is 3 centimeters. Internal diameter is 6 centimeters na, so radius is 6/2, 3 centimeters. Next, external radius capital R is equal to, here external diameter is 10 centimeters, then R is equal to 10/2. This is 5 centimeters. Yeah, so volume is equal to, volume of the hemispherical shell is equal to external volume minus internal volume. So external volume minus internal volume, right? External volume is equal to, actually what is the formula? Volume of the hemisphere, yes, 2/3 pi r cube. So this is 2/3 pi capital R cube minus this is 2/3 pi small r cube. So here 2/3 pi do common, capital R cube minus small r cube. So that is equal to 2/3 pi into capital R is, yes, 5 cube. 5 cube minus 3 cube. So 2/3 pi into 5 cube is 125 minus this is 3 cube is 27. So that is equal to 2/3 pi into 125 minus 27. Yes, exactly 98 centimeter cube. Keep like this. Don't simplify it, right? Yeah. Next. Here, given that hemispherical shell melted and recast into solid cylinder, right? Solid cylinder. Therefore, volume of hemispherical shell is equal to volume of the cylinder, right? Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the hemispherical shell, how much? Yes, 2/3 pi into 98 is equal to volume of the cylinder is, yes, pi r square h. So 2/3 pi into 98 is equal to, pi means, yeah, pi only write down, into radius. It is, radius is, yeah, 14 centimeters as diameter. So radius is, yes, 7 centimeters. So 7 into its height, we don't know na height. See, look here, on both sides pi get cancelled here. 7 sevens are 49, no, 49 twos are 98, isn't it? 7 sevens are 48, 7 sevens are 49, 49 twos are 98. So here 4/3 is equal to h. That implies h is equal to 4/3 value. Yes, exactly 1.33 nearest value. So approximate value of 4/3 is 1.33, yes, centimeters. Therefore, find the height of the cylinder only given. Therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to 1.33 centimeters. Have you got it? Yes. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.